Sometimes, what starts as a night out at the movies can quickly spiral into something far more serious. For one woman, alcohol, poor judgment, and a heated argument turned a minor situation into a criminal case.
And you're driving a car. Yes, you are. Hey, you gotta be behind that wheel. I'm gonna charge you with DUI. Understood?
Well, I will park.
No, you're not driving that car.
You're right here in Uber.
You're not driving that car. Call someone to come pick up the car or Uber it out, but you cannot drive this car. Understood? No, I can't offer you a ride. I'm working the detail here. And in the situation that's going on here...
I'm a pet, so you're calling me a fucking pedophile.
Right.
Because there's a fucking 17-year-old kid.
That you hit with your chest.
I did not hit him
Yes,
with my chest.
Hey, lower your voice. And we're going to step over here. No, hey, I saw the video, ma'am.
What did I tell? Show me what I did.
You hit him. He's here. You're here.
No.
You walk up, you go like this, hit him, and then walk away.
I did that.
Hey, this is up for discussion. If you want to argue with them something about a refund over there...
It's not about the refund.
All right, you hit the kid with your chest. So that's battery. If your boyfriend's a cop or whatever, you know what battery is.
I do.
So that's battery. It's unwanted touch to somebody else who didn't want it. He did not want that touch. You touched him. He went and complained to the staff. All they want to do was get you out of there. And then they didn't even want you trespass. They just wanted you to get out of there. And then you can come back another day.
I've been here since 2017.
But that's what happened. So listen.
So now you're not going to let me go home.
You can't drive this car.
This is my car.
You are intoxicated.
I own this car.
Yes, but you're intoxicated.
And it's mine.
So yes, you can have somebody else come pick up the car.
How about you just turn a blind eye?
No.
And let me go.
No, I got a job to do. Like you know your boyfriend does. Like your boyfriend does.
And he lets me get away with murder.
I'm not going to. I don't care.
He does.
I don't care.
I gotta go.
You're not driving that car, ma'am.
I'm getting my shit. Can I get my shit?
Prototype, hey.
You don't run me.
If you try getting in that car and driving, I'm gonna take you to jail for DUI. 3-0. That's your best bet.
Then I'll leave my right here.
All right, and I will tow it.
Unless you want to.
And I will tow it.
So you're gonna tow my shit?
Get somebody to drive.
I just got kicked out of here for no reason. You're gonna give me shit.
Lower your voice. I'm not screaming at you.
You're being a sucker.
Okay.
You're being a.
Grab your stuff and then grab an Uber. Because if you turn this car on,
So you're gonna tow my car for being parked illegally right here.
Get someone to come pick it up.
I don't have anybody. He's working. He's on duty right now.
What's his name? Because I'll happily call him over.
Joseph Chiappa. Call him up.
I will. Give me a second. Grab your stuff and sit over there in the corner.
Tell him to come get my f***ing car.
Get your stuff and go sit over there in the corner.
You don't tell me what to do.
I will take you to jail.
You don't get to tell me what to do.
I can take you to jail. I can take you to jail, that's for sure. You want to go to jail for DUI?
I'm not in my car.
That's what I'm saying.
The car is not on.
Grab your stuff.
So you cannot legally give me a DUI.
I can tow the car though right now because it's improperly parked.
Then tow my car. It'd be cheaper than a DUI.
Don't get behind the wheel. You want to grab yourself or no? You want to grab
my keys, and I am not behind the wheel, so therefore it is not a DUI. That is one of the things when you date a cop, you realize it.
Okay.
So tow my car. Couple $100 tonight.
Okay.
Good to go.
Okay.
Blow me, you sucker.
No, thank you.
Blow me.
Nobody wants to do that. Go stand on the curb.
No. Tow my car.
All right.
And if they damage it.
Florida State Statute 316.072. If you stay on the roadway after I've given you lawful orders to get out of the road, you haven't taken a jail for that. So your best bet is to go over there in the curb and wait for someone.
You're intelligent.
Is that someone coming to pick up the car?
Oh.
Okay.
This sucker who claims to be a police officer, supposed to serve and protect, is
Is that boyfriend?
going to tow my car. The same f***ing fat that was in the movie.
Let me get you in front of Cop Theater for one.
Welcome to my life. He's gonna tow my car and I'm gonna Uber back to my house because he's being apparently he has no fucking respect for fucking law. Or maybe he's just arrogant.
Oh, okay. You got your ID on you, ma'am?
Nope.
I need your ID.
I don't have it.
If you fail to provide me your ID, you're finna to
Give me a walk. So guess what? I'm gonna call 911 on you and get you for sexual harassment, you piece of shit.
I got a camera right here. Hey, you're not free to go. You need to identify yourself because of this traffic infraction.
Get away from me.
You're not free to go. Go right there.
Get away from me.
Nope. I need you to identify yourself, ma'am, because if not, you're gonna go to jail for.
You can believe this? I come to the movie theater and I'm getting harassed.
I need your ID, ma'am. I need your ID. Your name. You don't have my ID? All right. What's your name?
Just tow my car and let me go. This piece of shit thinks he's controlling your law. He ain't shit.
Hey. I need you to identify yourself, ma'am.
This is my car. Run my tag. Get my name.
I need you to identify yourself. You need to be careful.
I don't need to do shit for you because you're not being respectful right now.
You're detained.
You're not being respectful right now.
That's someone who's screaming.
You're not being respectful.
Have I raised my
I am
hand
not
to
my
you?
car. You said you were towing my car.
Yes, and this is a
I
traffic
told
infraction.
you.
Since you were the one who left it, you're the one getting the ticket.
And I told you to tow my car.
And I need your ID.
For what?
To identify you. Because
You
you're the
have
one who
my
committed.
tag.
You're the one who committed the traffic infraction. Are you refusing
Go
to
to
identify?
the movie theater. Are you fucking serious?
Hey, are you refusing to identify yourself to a law enforcement officer?
What I'm refusing to do.
Hey, this the only thing. You're making this a lot harder than it has to be.
No, you're being an. Okay. What's the problem here?
You're getting cited for traffic infraction.
Police gave her chance after chance, offering alternatives like calling a ride, letting someone else pick up her car, and simply walking away. But instead of cooling down, she argued, refused to identify herself, and resisted every instruction. What could have ended with nothing more than an embarrassing story instead became a full-on confrontation, captured on video for everyone to see.
I stopped here,
Yes.
and I thought that
Don't touch
you
me.
were going to
Don't
be
touch
someone
me.
that was going
Step
to
back.
help me, and you're not. You're a piece of shit.
Okay.
Just like every other cop, like the Daytona cop that got
didn't-
shot in his fucking head.
Hey, last
Just
time
like
I'm gonna
every
tell
other cop.
you. Are you gonna give me
Go.
your ID to identify yourself?
Go.
Okay.
Take my car.
Fair enough.
No,
Hey.
no, don't touch me. Oh,
Put your hands behind your back.
what are you doing? Your job is done.
Yep.
Your fucking career
Put your
is
hands on your
over.
back. Ma'am, stop persisting.
I'm not. You have
Your
no
hands behind your back.
reason to fucking detain me.
Put your hands behind your back.
Get away from me!
Put your hands behind your back and stop.
What the fuck are you doing? Oh my god.
Sit up.
I hate your fucking guts.
Okay.
You piece of shit. You
Stay
know
there.
what? Maybe that poor cop that
Okay.
got shot in the face should have been you sucker. You just broke $300 glasses. You fucking Puerto Rican. You are not worth a shit. You want to put your hands on me?
No.
You want to put your hands on me?
Took me too.
You want to put your hands on me? Go ahead. Put your motherfucking hands on me again. I'll show you Boston style, you motherfucker. You think you're stronger than me? Hey! Look at that shit. Abuse! You're a liar.
Look at that.
Does he need us to call back?
Get off me.
No.
You broke it, didn't you?
It just came off.
Get off me.
Stand up. Come on. You go over there.
No, you just brought my shit all over the fuck. Get the off me. They're gonna steal my shit. Are you serious right now?
Yep.
You're really gonna do this over a fucking movie ticket?
No, that's not why all this happened.
They're gonna steal my shit.
You're not gonna steal anything.
They're fucking Of course they are.
Sit in the car.
I'm a fucking racist bitch.
In the car. Hey, you guys were watching the whole thing, right?
Oh,
You guys mind doing this quick statement for me? Just basically saying what
I
you
did
guys
not
saw.
mind at all. That girl was perfect.
You
I
should-
got half of it on video. If you need it.
Yep. I'll get that in a second. Thank you. You need the ambulance to come check you off for your shoulder? You're staying inside the car.
Piece of shit.
You're staying inside the car. Put your feet inside the car. You little Sarge.
How's it going?
Getting yourself.
All right, what we got?
She got kicked out of there for hitting a minor with her tits.
My mistake.
No, she
Bumped this minor.
it was a fool. And then she's like, what? She's like, why is he complaining? So we just kicked her off because of that. She was already intoxicated. Comes over here.
I'm listening to that.
She brought her car there. She was already intoxicated from inside. So I'm like, hey,
Just leave it like that.
starts causing a scene over there. I'm like, hey, get someone to come pick up your car and be on your way. You're not okay to drive.
That's not it.
Those people behind were recording. Didn't always
Hang on. Sit in the car. You don't have to get out. All right, I
He's an
understand.
asshole.
I understand. I understand.
He smashed my face on the pavement.
All right, so what happened?
give her a chance to.
I'm 130 pounds.
Sit down.
I'm sitting. He's abusive.
Trying to get her away. She's still screaming, making a scene.
Stop on my story.
Try getting her ID, asking for ID and everything. Doesn't want to identify herself. Keeps saying "f you." So when I try to take her into custody, she starts pulling away from me, put her arms behind her,
Look at my face.
and then gets put on the floor. Continues resisting, hitting. We're trying to kick and all that. Kicks me in the groin and continues acting like that's better than the whole time. They have video and they're willing to do a statement too of the way she was acting before this. My axon fell off halfway through, but.
Oh, she wouldn't move. Is that why we're taking her?
No.
Well, I was doing it for refusing to identify herself, so I could give her the citation for the car.
Okay. All right.
And then
Have a seat, please. I'm going to talk to you here in a second. I'm the supervisor.
He's not nice. He hurt me.
All right. Just relax.
Look at my face. Look at the side of my face. Unnecessary. My shoulders.
Ma'am,
Look at my shoulder.
Did you show me your identification yet?
He's look at my shoulder from him.
Before that, did you show me your ID?
I did because it was they removed me from the theater for no reason.
Okay.
It wasn't even because I was drunk. They said that I made a gesture.
Hey, did you watch her pull up here? You see her pull up there?
Yeah.
So, under the influence, she drove the car.
That's why I wasn't gonna let her drive.
All right, here's what's gonna happen.
Look at what he did to me.
We're gonna take pictures of it. I'm gonna get you checked out. But you're going to jail tonight, all right?
For what?
Well, for DUI,
no.
resisting arrest,
No.
and if you keep kicking the car and break it, you're charged with that.
Are you
okay?
serious right now?
Yes, ma'am.
You're supposed to serve and protect me. He just roughed me up.
That happens when you resist arrest.
No, I was not under arrest when he did that. You're a piece of shit, you f***ing Mexican.
Sit down, ma'am. And stop. Before you get a hate crime attached to it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm a racist.
And then you kicked them. So that's battery on law enforcement.
Because look what he did to my shoulder.
But ma'am, had you not been driving drunk,
I wasn't driving. I
you
was
wouldn't have
parked.
to identify yourself.
I was parked.
Well, you pulled up there.
No, he was not in his car.
Get low, guys. So who's the one who's got the best video?
I'm the only one who took a video, so I got it.
Perfect.
You want me to send it to you?
Yes, I'll send you a link to send that to me. Your name there, date of birth, today's date, and basically what you saw, the whole interaction, how she was acting and stuff.
Okay.
And then once I get your phone number, I'll send you a link to where you can upload the video. Can I just see it real quick?
Yeah, absolutely.
Hey, look what he did to me. That's his gun. I'll tell you what. I will take it all the way. It'll be his badge.
Please have a seat.
It'll be his badge.
Please
You
have-
don't put your hands on a woman like this.
Ma'am, please have a seat.
No.
It was halfway through when I
Okay, good.
started recording, but you're welcome to watch it.
Seat, please.
Look at my face.
Can you have a seat, please?
So how did both sides of my face get scraped?
Can you have a seat, please?
Is that what you're f***ing officer?
If you can go straight to field sobriety,
You don't have it.
you can go straight to field sobriety on her.
She's everything.
She don't refuse anything.
So she's going to catch the DUI charge that you saw her drive.
Yeah, literally, I saw her pull up and I was like, is that her? I was like, please don't let that be her because I knew she was already drunk.
That's the initial charge. I'm going to do DUI investigation, then the RA, then it's going to be the battery LEO, then the disorderly intoxication. Sucks that you got to do this.
No, that's fine.
Nothing on it? Thank you, ma'am. Have a good night.
Oh!
Oh, your shoulder got a little scrape.
It didn't get a little straight. It got f***ed up. Like, Jesus.
How much have you had to drink?
Just 3 drinks.
Hey, don't try to kick anybody.
I hate you all. I hope you all get shot in the face.
Hey,
Summer, man. Not resisting.
do you want to perform field sobriety exercises? And if you don't, do you want to give a breath test?
I'm going to jail either way. I don't want to do any of it.
Okay, so that's a no for both.
Thank you. And raise your right hand. Do you swear to affirm everything you said in the statement is true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Do you understand the line under official police report is arrestable offense?
Yes.
It's just something I have to read. Sign right there and then today's date, please. I appreciate it. Thank you very much, ma'am. Have a good day.
In the end, she was charged with DUI, battery on a law enforcement officer, disorderly intoxication, and resisting arrest. She pled no contest to most charges, receiving 3 years of probation and over $700 in fines. It's a sharp reminder that refusing to follow simple directions doesn't just create drama, it creates consequences.